Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can create a 3D effect in Canva. I'll show you two examples and you'll see that you can do this easily with your own ideas. When you would like to learn more about editing photos, subscribe to my channel to see my next recent updates. But for now let's continue with this subject. With the first option I'm going through a mockup effect, because when you are at a distance you might want to give a hug to someone but you don't know how. So I'm going to make it look like the girl is jumping out of the screen. Now you can follow these steps with your own ideas, it's just the same idea. I click on edit image right here and scroll down to the smart mockups. Then I'll choose this one and now I duplicate the image and then I remove the background from this one. And if you want to know how to do this, I leave a link below so you can see my video where I explain it. I'm going to zoom a little bit in, and the duplicated image needs to have the same size of the image in the mockup. So I twist it a little bit. So something like this. And then I adjust the image by double clicking it and cut out a piece right here. And now I do the same with the other arm, so I duplicate this image and adjust it, put it at the same position and cut out the other arm. And now I want to see the thumb of the mockup, so what I do now is erase a little bit with the background remover. And you see now that I can't really see what I'm doing, so I just try a bit until it is perfect. So something like this, and now when I zoom out, you can see the results better. This is one other thing that I want to show you. This is a little bit easier. You can make it a lot more difficult than this, of course. I duplicate this image. And the first one I move backwards with position and then backwards. And then the duplicated one I paste at the same position again. And then double click it and cut out this little piece right here up above from the heart. And now it looks like the L went through the little heart. So I hope these tips were useful for you, and if you have any questions let me know below in the comments and I will get back to you. I hope you enjoy making your own DIY photo.